Hello guys, my name is Joel Mukanya. I'm a CEO and founder at JT Devs. For today's video, we're going to start looking at exception handling in Python. Let's first define what is it. An exception is an event that occurs during the execution of a program and interrupts its process. I will provide you with an example. So let's say, for instance, you build an application whereby it's going to allow the user to enter a number. What if the provider provide a value which is not a number, maybe an example like a text or a string? Then that will make the program to stop. Okay, but if you make use of exception handling, then instead of your program to stop, it's going to display a message to let know the user next time they need to make use of integer or number. So in this, on the next example, we're going to raise an exception in case something that was not expected. So we'll join an. So we're going to create a function, say that verify, so verify, say number. And then we need to make use of a if statement to check if it's indeed a number. We say we're going to make use of a function called isInstance. The first argument will be your object, the second argument will be the data type. Then we're just going to display the value. Let me just display the value. Otherwise, then we're going to raise an exception. So this it will be a general exception. Okay, this one will be a general exception. So we have type error. We have what is it again? Um, then some other errors that you might find, because this is going to be the exception is the parent class, and then the type error it will be the child class that inherit from exception. But since we actually talking about the data type instead of using exception, I'm going to make use of type error. Okay, so we're just going to specify our message and say make use of numbers. So this is we kind of providing our own message, okay, for the error message. So let's say now, since we did that, this is done, we need to call the function. Let's call it function. Then we're just going to pass it. And then we need to pass a number. So pass a number, maybe number 8. Then we need to run our program. Where are you at? Exception to often, then display 8. Okay. What if it's a string? Say maybe hello. So in this case, it's going to raise an error. So our program will stop. Okay. So our program stop, and then it gave us the type of error message. Okay. So we need to use something to handle it. So instead of, so we're going to handle this kind of error by using the try statement. Then we say try, then we pass it here, then we have cache, uh, no, In Proficient, there's no cache, there's except. Okay. Except. So after except, since we raise a type of error of type error, we need to specify type error. And then we say maybe, okay, we can just leave it as it is. And then we say, what can we place in here? It's going to say print uh, number. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so now instead of program to stop, then we just display a nice message to the user and say number only. Okay, so this is how you can handle an error. Okay, so to handle an error, you make use of try and except. But if you want to raise an error, you just have to use the keyword raise, and then you specify what type of error that you want to catch. You want to generalize. If you are not sure of what kind of error you expecting, then you're going to make use of exception. But if uh, you already show that what kind of error you're going to receive, then on our case we know that it will be a type error. Then that's why we place type error in there, including its message. Okay, thank you guys. Please share, like, and subscribe. All right, bye.